They're built to ignore visible light and instead focus on picking up infrared light, which hot objects, including human bodies, will naturally give off. And so it doesn't matter if you're sitting in the dark, you can still see them. The slight issue though, is that in order to capture this infrared light in a high enough resolution, these headsets end up incredibly bulky and incredibly expensive. There's another way though, and it's very sneaky. Scientists in Australia have discovered what they're calling a magical nanomaterial, gallium arsenide. What is it with this video and arses? And this compound can actually change the wavelength of infrared light to convert it to visible light. So instead of needing a bulky infrared sensor, by just applying a simple coating of this onto normal glasses, which, because this is a nanomaterial, would be like 500 times thinner than a human hair, you'd no longer need those infrared sensors. By the time the infrared light has reached your eyes, it's already been converted to a form that they understand. 6 out of 10. And also on the note of eyesight, scientists are currently working on creating contact lenses which will give you a real-life superpower. Contacts which are in part just standard contacts that allow you to see through them normally. But then they also have a section that's telescopic that allows for a magnified view. And they're designing them such that at a moment's notice, if you wink with your right eye, then these contacts will be able to detect that wink and use it as a signal to then re-guide the light such that you'll switch from seeing things through the normal section to seeing things through the magnified section. It's one thing to be able to hit the 3x zoom button on your smartphone. Imagine being able to do that with your eyes.